Hey guys, good afternoon. We'll wait for some time, then we'll start. Thank you.
Hey guys, hi. Very good afternoon to all the participants. I hope my voice is audible to you and my screen is also visible. I'm just sharing my screen. Just give me a second. Is my voice audible and my screen visible to all the participants? Can I get some confirmation, please? No. All right. So let us quickly recap like what we have seen in the last session. So can you tell me guys what we have understood in the last session? What did you understood in the last session? What we discussed in the last session or what you understood in the last session? Can you tell me? Somebody is saying Tableau itself they have understood. Somebody is saying Tableau prep they have understood. Somebody is saying data pre-processing they have understood. By the way, what we have seen in the last session, what we discussed in the last session, guys, understand. In yesterday's session, we have discussed about the importance of data cleaning. Why do we clean it? Okay, and we have gone through some basics of Tableau prep, like what is Tableau prep, uh, what are the features of Tableau prep, operations in Tableau prep, and we have seen how to install Tableau prep in our local system. And also, along with that, I have asked you to download a specific data set, right? Have you all downloaded the data set, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. Have you downloaded the data set? I asked you to maintain it in a structure, right? So what you need to do, if you remember, guys, what is this? Yeah, if you remember, guys, I have shared you a specific link yesterday, right? If you see this thing, let me scroll down. Yeah, this is the link, guys. I have asked all of you to please download the data set. If you just open this link and if you scroll down, you can see here we have 8 datasets. So I have asked you to download this 8 datasets, right? You have to create a folder. In that folder, first you have to store these 4 datasets, and along with that, you have to create a subfolder. And in that subfolder of South, you have to store these 4 datasets. I hope you have followed this structure and you have downloaded all the datasets, correct? Yes or no? All right. Let me do one thing. Let me just open one of the datasets for you to understand the flow. Okay. Let me go to desktop. Yes, somewhere here. Okay. If you see here, let me just open this particular dataset, orders of 2015. Let me make you understand the dataset first. Okay. So, see guys, this is a dataset of orders for year 2015. Okay. In this, we have a sales column, we have a quantity column, profit column, discount column. Region column means there will be separate regions, south, west, north, east, like that. So since this is only south column, south region, so here we have only south dataset. Okay. If you see guys here, my dataset for the sales for different region is scattered in different files, right? I have a different file for central region dataset. I have a different file for west region. I have a different file for east region, and I have a separate year-wise sales for south region. Correct. In this way, I have a dataset. Right. If you understand more on this dataset, then we have row ID. Okay. Then you have order ID. Then we have uh, order date, ship date. Correct. Ship mode is second class, first class, like the way they have selected. Then customer ID. Okay, this is going to be the unique for every customer. Then we have customer name segment. Again, there are 3 segments: home office, corporate, and consumer. I think so. This is only for United States. And then we have city, postal code, their product ID. Then different categories we have, and after that. Your subcategories and the name of the product. Okay, so this is a small data set that we have. In a similar way, you will find all the records. Okay, you'll find all the records for 16 also. It's the same. Only the thing is it's 2016. Then 17 and 18. All right. So these are set of data sets of only South region with respect for different years. Okay. So the first data set is for 2015. Then second is South 2016 sales. Third is 2017 sales for South region, and fourth is 2018 sales. Okay. Arya, please check this data link. Okay. This go to this notes, and here you have this link. All right. Now, next thing is if you see here, whereas if you see, I have a single data set for central region. Okay. In this central region, I'm having the data set for all the years. Okay. So there is no segregated data for 15, 16, 17, and 18 for central region. Okay. I have a single data set which is having the data for all the years. Okay. If I show you where is the order date, order year. If you see this order year, I have a single column for all the data sets. Okay. For central region. Are you able to understand it, guys, what I'm trying to say? So understand that first thing, understand for South. If I talk about the South data set, guys, see that all these files, whatever we have downloaded, these are sales data set, okay, for different regions. For South, we have four different years, four different files for different years, okay. In Central, we have a single file for all the years. For West, we have a single file for all the years, and East, we have a single file for all the years. Now, can somebody tell me what should be my normal flow of data cleaning? Can somebody tell me what should I do ideally in this situation? What should be my end goal? What should be my end goal? What should be my end goal? Guys, I can't see any of you replying. Please tell me what should be my end goal? What should be my end goal? Let me explain you. We have for South, we have four data sets. Four data sets. Okay. For 2015, 16, 2017, 2018. Okay. Then we have a central region, we have east region, and we have west region. Okay. We have west region. And there is one more file, guys. Right. We have one more file, right? That is return reason. Okay. See, guys, this is the file. Imagine that, let's say, whenever you purchase a product on Amazon or Flipkart, uh, what do you do for the product which you receive which are damaged? What do you do? What do you do for those kind of products which are received damaged to you? What do you do? You return them, correct? Yes or no? You return them, correct? So this is a data set which is containing the records of those products out of all these products which has been returned for some reason. Okay. This data set is containing those details. All right. So now can you guess like what should be my end goal? What should I do? What should I do? Total, we have eight data sets. What should be my flow of working inside data preparation? What should I do? Says first clean the data. Yes, that is good. We should clean it. We should clean it. Should clean it. Okay. That is correct. Basically, we need to clean all this data set individually. Okay. We will be cleaning all the data set individually. But now tell me, should I go ahead at the last? Should I have a single data set or this multiple data sets to handle them? At the last, what should I have? Should I proceed at the last? Should I make it a single data set or a different data sets? Which one is good for analysis? A single data set or multiple data sets for analysis? Single, correct? It means that what we will be doing first, we will be cleaning this individual data set, and after that, we will be combining all these eight data sets into one data set. All right. We will be combining all these eight data sets into a single data set so that it's more easy for me to analyze in a proper way. Correct? Right? Now, next thing is on what basis should I do the mm, joining of these particular tables? Okay. You guys understand that since these are the sales of the data for different regions, these five, sorry, four plus these seven, these seven data sets are going to have the same structure. So which operation should I go? I'll be taking to combine them. Which operation should I take to combine them? Yes, correct. Basically, we will be joining them with the help of union operation. All right. We will be joining these seven data sets using the union operation. And what about the next last one, return reason? What about the last one, return reason? Which operation should I apply to perform? Join is correct, but which join should I have to go with? Join is different. Join is fine, but which kind of join? Which kind of join? Can you tell me which join should I do? No cross, no inner. Which join? Understand first the logic. What is happening in inner join? What will get? What will I get in inner join? In inner join, I will get all the matching records from both the table. Don't you think if I am going with inner join, I will get very less data out of all? It won't be that useful for me to analysis. Yes or no? In cross join, we are just going to get a kind of a Cartesian product between different rows. That is also not relevant. What about right join? Assume that your once you combine all the regions table, that is going to be a left table, and the return table is going to be a right table. Now, which kind of join you can perform? What is your end goal? First thing is you need to make sure that all the records of all the regions are there in your last table. And along with that, you should also get some of the records which has been returned from the uh, return region table, right? Yes or no? So what kind of things what kind of join you have to perform? Any of you, I'll just give you two hints. Let me launch a poll. Let me see what is your choice. Your table is region and right table is return. Let me see. What is your opinion? In what way are you thinking exactly? Which join? What is your opinion? I see majority of you saying right join. First of all, tell me guys, did you understood the question? Yes or no? Did you understood my point? What I'm trying to say? Did you understood what we are trying to say? Or no? Come on, guys. Why are you so silent? Which kind of join we should perform? Imagine that we have joined all the regions table into a single table, and now the left table is your region table, and your right table is your return table. Now, which join you should perform? Which join should I go with? Those people who are saying right join, what is the reason? Can you mention here? What is the reason you have said right join? I can see most of the participants are saying right join, but what is the reason for going with right join? You do understood what is the funda of right join first? Let me show you the return table also first. Return reason. If you see, guys, this is my return table. Okay, this is my return table. All right. So which join should I go with? You're saying that right join. What is the reason for right join? You're saying, Siddhi Kulkarni, you're saying you'll get all the records from right table. But anyways, if you see here, if I go with return reason table, uh, I have this order ID field, right? One minute, guys. You guys understand that if you see here in your return reason table, you have this order ID column. Okay, this is the common column between your order ID, between your return reason and your region column, region table. Okay, it is the common column between both the tables. So if you do the right join between them, what will happen? You'll get all these records from the return region, but some of the records from the left join will be missing. Okay, some of the records from the right left table will be missing. Okay, which is not a good choice because you will lose the information from there. So if you perform a right join between these two tables, you'll get a data set for which you'll lose some information. And further, if you go for any kind of analysis, you'll be able to analyze for only the products which were returned. All right. You'll be able to perform only for the product which were returned. Okay. Yes, Nishita Sharma, you are correct actually. We have to go with left join. Okay. In left join, we'll get all the records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. Since we already have the order ID in the left table and the matching records will be the remaining values which are there in the return reason table. In this way, we'll get a proper data set with all the values from the left table and the matching records from the right table. Yes, now it is clear to you. Yes or no, please tell me. We have spent a lot of time behind understanding this left join, right join. So are you able to understand it now? So the people who were giving the reason for right join, now is it clear? Am I clear? Siddhi Kulkarni? Yes. Good. So that is what we will be doing. So in this flow of operation, what steps we'll do? Uh, Second. Please check it, Arya. If you are accessing it through mobile, maybe you will not be able to get it. Okay, please access it through laptops. So what we will do, first of all, we will merge the South data set into a single data called South region. Okay, we'll merge them together into a single table with the name South region. Then clean uh, we'll clean central region. Okay, we'll clean center. Okay, then we'll get the central region proper. After that, we'll clean east. Okay, so we get so that we get east region. Okay, we get east region. We'll clean west. Okay, so that we get west region. Okay, all right. Then what we will do? One second. We'll join. Basically, we'll combine all region tables into a single region table, and then we'll perform left join between region table and return table. Okay. Before that, here also we need to clean it. Okay. We have to clean this, clean return table. Okay. So at last we'll get a single data set. I hope this part is clear to all the participants. Right. Now let's do one thing. Let me open my Tableau prep. Understood the basics. Let me open my Tableau prep. So we have already understood the interface of Tableau prep in the last session. It's not that difficult. The three panes, connection pane, flow pane, and the painting materials. Okay, let this get open. For the first time, whenever we open a system, it takes some time, but that is fine. Now, let me go to my this window, connection pane. Here, I'll click on connect. Okay. So here I have a two file option from where I can go with a specific file option. If you see here in my Tableau prep, first I will try to import the South file. Okay, let's say I import this order South 2015. This is a CSV file. Okay, comma separated value file. So I'll go with text file option here. Okay, I'll go to order South and I'll select 2015. Okay, let me click on open. As soon as I click on open, you can see here there are certain changes. Okay, you can see here the data set which you are connected with. This is the name of the table, that is order South 2015. And here this white screen that you can see here, this is nothing but the flow screen. Basically here only the flow sequence will get established. Means here only you will understand what are the steps you have taken to clean your data. All right, in this window only you'll come to know like what are steps you have taken to clean your data. Okay, this bottom is the information page where you get multiple options and From here only you can understand the data. Okay. First of all, here you can see in your data set there are 22 fields. Okay, 22 fields. Here they are. Then the first is settings. In settings section, you can see the location of the file to which it is connected with. Okay. Then if you see here, this option, there are two things. Data preview, basically it is showing you the preview of your data set like this. If you want to see the field list, you'll get the field list like this. Okay, some field names, the 22 field names, then changes and the preview. Okay, if you perform any kind of changes in your data set, in the specific table, the changes will be reflected in this particular column as well as it will be recorded somewhere here in this changes section. Okay, here it will be recorded. Now, if you see here, in the header option, we are getting two sub options. First is generate header, and second is set header. Set header is the same name, whatever is was there in your data set. If you go with generate header, so we'll just get the headers with in the series of F, okay, like F1, F2, F3. So this F stands for like feature and all, okay. There's nothing but a feature, feature one, feature two, like that. Okay. So this is not a meaningful name for a particular field. So we'll go back with the set headers. Okay. We get our column back. Then all these things, field separator is a comma, rest you can keep as it is. Local means the language, it's English. All right. I'll come to the tables in a while. Then data sample. In data sample, you can see here, it has selected automatic. Basically, it automatically selects the optimal number of records to perform faster. If suppose you have got millions of record and you want to some specify some samples over here, that time you can specify the rows or you can select the maximum number of values you want to select. Okay. These are different forms of selection: quick select, random, stratified. These are different forms of the selection of a particular table, records in the table. Okay. And I said changes, basically whatever changes you perform here, those changes will be reflected here. Let's say uh, in ship mode, I want to perform some changes. Okay. I go here to these three dots. Okay. Let me go to name field. Let's say if I make it modes, ship modes. Instead of ship mode, if I make it ship modes, you can see here one step has been added here. Rename field ship modes. Okay. From ship mode to ship modes. This is the step has been added here. Okay. So like that, if you perform any changes over here, those records will be added here in this changes column. Okay. Since I do not want this field, I means I do not want this ship modes. I can just click here. I can just remove it from here also. I can close this. So this step will be go back. Okay, it will return back to the normal step. All right, clear? Okay, guys. Now let's go to the table section. Let's go to the table section. Here, as of now, single table is selected. Let me select union multiple tables. Why I'm doing it? Because if you see in my data set, I have multiple tables here, right? With the same set of captions, same set of structure. So go with the union multiple tables. Now, by default, uh, it is searching in the support in the same folder. Okay, order south. If you want to search it by different location, you can search it from here. Or else, if you want to set a filter here, okay. One second, guys. Suppose you were not able to find it, you can also search for filter option also here. Click on add filter. You can do with a file name. Okay. By file name, you can just type with the initials. Let's say I type orders. And if I press star and hit enter, all the files will be reflected here. Okay. All the files will be reflected here. We start with orders. Okay. If I type here south, initial south, and hit enter, you can see there is no file starting with south. Okay. If I type orders, start at initials, and hit enter, all the files starting with ORD are reflecting here. Okay. Now what I have to do here, just I have to click on apply. Okay. So what will happen? All these files will get merged together. Okay. All these files will get merged together. If I click on apply, you can see here it is taking some steps. Okay. All the files will get merged together. Okay. Now we are getting all the tables together. Let me go back here. Data preview. It is not loading. Maybe some technical issue, but that is fine. Understand that as of now, all the data set has been merged together. Means they have joined together because they had the same structure. All right. We select it. Uh, yes, settings. Yes. So we have done it. Okay. Table is merged together. If you want to see, we click on change step. Let me see. 1 second. If I go to the date now, you can see in the order date, I'm getting all the records from 2015 to 2019. Okay, I'm getting all the records. Table has been merged. Let me remove this one. I don't need this. Okay, so first table has been imported, right? Now let me import the other regions dataset also. How to do it? How to do this? How to do this? I will do one thing. I'll open this window in a uh, minimized mode. Okay, let me open this data set. Now I will select all the other regions. Let's say I select central region, west region, and east region. I will drag and drop them inside this particular canvas. Okay, now you can see other region data set has been imported. Okay, so already we had south. Now we have got west, central, and east. We imported other region data set. Clear? Clear till here? Can you please do it? Can you please do it? Can you please do it? I'll give you 1 minute. Please complete it, guys. Please complete it and give me a thumbs up. Then I will continue and explain you again. What next? Please complete the steps and let me know. Right. I can see most of you have done. So let's continue. Come back to here. Okay. So if you see here, next what I said, we need to clean this individual files also. We need to clean west, central, and east also, right? For now, let's just look into the south one first. Let's see. We'll take this table as a reference point. Okay, for now, we'll consider this as a reference point. If you see here, inside this, I have a sales column, quantity column, profit, discount, region, state. Like this, we have different columns, correct? Different fields. So I need to make sure that the remaining tables of different regions should have the same structure. Okay. In order to combine them using the union operation, I need to make sure that the naming tables also are having the same set of structure. Okay. Let me go with the central region first. Okay. If I open central region first, can you just look into the central region and let me know what are the issues present inside it, comparing with the south data set. Highlight some major issues or the challenges inside the data set that we need to clean in order to make it in the same structure of like how we have the south data set. Can you look into it and tell me what is the challenges? Can you look into that, guys, and tell me quickly? Are you not able to find it, guys? Are you not getting any kind of differences between the two structures? Hey guys, in both the tables, can you find the regions table? In both the tables, can you find the region table? In the south data that we have got and the central region table. Are you able to get the region column? Okay. Okay. Pratham says yes. Pratham, are you able to find the central region column inside the central data set? Are you able to find the region column? Right. What about the dates? Can you look into the dates, guys? What are the dates? Can we check the dates? Mm, yes. Uh, Actually, correct. You guys are right. So first of all, let me mention here what are the issues. Central. Okay. In central region, the first issue that we have noticed is region column is missing. Okay. It's missing, right? Second issue, we have separate, we have separate. What is separate? Date and months. Yes. If you see here, if I just scroll down, if you carefully observe here, for dates, especially for dates, I have different fields for dates with respect to order. Okay, we have order year, order month, and order day. It's separate. Similarly, for sheep also, we have different year, month, and day. If you compare it with your South data set, if you see here, we have a single field of order date which contains all the three informations: date, month, and year. Whereas for ship date also, we have a single column with all the three details: date, month, and year. Okay, it means that I need to take care of these different fields also, right? Year, month, and date. Yes or no? Unless and until I make it into the same structure, I won't be able to join them, right? Using the union operation. I won't be able to combine them, correct? So the second challenge here is we have separate columns for order, We have separate columns for order and ship with respect to date, month, and year. Yeah. And if you see here, in discount, I have one value called none. Is it good, guys? Tell me. What else can you notice, guys, inside the central region? Can you tell me? What else can you notice inside the central region? Inside the central region, what else you can notice? Just look into the discount column and tell me what is the issue there. Just look into the discount column and tell me what is the issue there. What is the issue there in the discount column? Guys, can you see the discount column? What is the issue? Basically, in discount, if you notice, I don't know whether you noticed properly or not. Check the data type first. Is it correct? Will you be able to perform mathematical operations on it? Is it correct? Later in your analysis, will you be able to perform it? No, right? It means here the data type is string, right? Maybe because it is having a string value inside the field. Okay, so we have to rectify this also. Okay, we have to rectify this also. Okay, third is data type and the none values. Data type and the none values. Let me go to the next region. Let me take West region. West region. Can you now look into the West region and tell me what is the issue is? West region. Can you look into the West region and tell me what is the issue? What is the issue here in the West region? Can you look into the West region and tell me what is the issue? Take a minute, guys. Look into the West region and tell me what is the issue. You noticed, guys, any changes? No doubt, guys, I can tell you, but what is the point for you if you don't understand those things? First, understand, try from yourself, what changes do you notice is required in that particular table. The changes can you notice inside the West table? Somebody says duplicate row ID. You have duplicate row ID, right? Yes, there are lot of duplicate entries. If you see here, it starts with order date, ship date, and all. But after a certain column profit, you can see again these values are getting repeated with a prefix called right underscore, right? Yes, there are multiple fields. There you can say these are kind of a duplicate entries which are starting with prefix right. Okay. So what we can do here, we will remove them here only. Here we have something called cross button, right? it says remove that specific field. Okay, it will remove the field. Okay, now again, guys, think it that way, like it is not going to clean it from your data, so main data source. It is just cleaning it from inside this window only. Okay, we cross it. Okay, we don't need it. Again, I'll cross order date also. I don't need it. So all the columns which are having prefix right, we will remove them by using this cross button. All the columns which are having prefix right, we will cross them. Okay, we will remove them using this cross button. So it goes till quantity. Discount also we have, profit also we have. Okay, here discount also. So we have got, now we don't have any duplicate fields. Okay, all the fields which are duplicate, which are having duplicate entries or starting with prefixes right has been removed now. Okay, what else do you notice, guys? What else do you notice? Can you notice any other thing, changes inside this? In West, first what we have to do, we have to remove all the duplicate entries. All right. What next? The next. What is the next issue here? Sales number are very large. Okay. What else? Is there any issue in the state column? Can you check? Is there any issue in the states column? Check. This is just a sample value, Barrow. Can you just refer to the South data set and compare the states column and check me and let me know? Can you compare the state column with the South data table and let me know what are the changes? The issue. Buddy, did you notice changes? Buddy, did you notice the change? State column. Can you compare the state column between the South table and the existing table? Anybody? Yes. If you see here, in South table, the name of the states were written in the full forms, right? But here, if you see in the this particular table, that is your West table, here if you see, the name of the states are written in abbreviated form. Okay. Second issue here is state names are in abbreviated form. Okay. We need to rectify this also. We need to complete this also. All right. Uh, Rest, I think so. It's fine. Most of the issues are proper. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. That is East region. East region. Can you look into the East region and tell me what is the issue in the East region? Click on the East region. Region. What is the issue in the East region? What is the issue in the East region? Is the issue in the East region? It's not a very big issue, guys, in the East region, but still there is some issue in the East region. What is the issue? What is the issue in the East region? Look into it, guys, very carefully. No, profit, not profit. Let me tell you. Look into the sales field. Into the sales field. Look into the state field. Is there any issue here in the sales field? Is there any issue in the sales field? Can you do some changes in the state field, sales field? Basically, if you have noticed the sales field, we have something prefix USD, right? If you compare it with your South table, right? South, we don't have any such kind of prefix in the sales values, correct? If you see here in the South table, uh, sales, we do not have any kind of prefix. Whereas here in the order list, we have got prefix of USD because of which we are getting this data type as string. All right. So that is also has to correct. Okay. In East, we have uh, for sales is a prefix of USD. All right. So these are the major changes in the respective tables. Okay. So we'll do one thing. We'll take a break, and after the break, we'll rectify these issues. All right. We have identified the issues, major issues. Now we'll rectify them after the break. All right. Let's take a break. Thank you. Okay, guys, welcome back after the break. So let's come back to our main Tableau Web Builder. I hope my voice is audible to you, right? Yes, no, please tell me, guys. Okay, so we'll start with the first region, that is Central region. South region we have already combined, so it's fine. Now we'll go with the Central region. Okay, in Central region, we said that the region column is missing. Okay, so let me write down the steps here. Okay, Central region. Okay, Central. In this, first of all, what we will do, we'll click on the central region plus icon and we'll click on the clean step. Okay, what you have to do, click on this plus icon and click on clean step. Okay, once we go here, okay, once we go here, we have to we have to select it to get this window, this small screen. We have to select it. Once you select it, you can see here more detailed version of all the fields. Okay, these are the aggregated versions, and in the bottom you can get the detailed version. Okay, in detail. Okay. For now, if you, we have seen that in my central region, the region field is missing, right? First thing what I will do, I will create a new field in this data set, okay, in this table with the name region, and I'll give the value to it as center, okay? So for that, I can click on these three dots. I can go to this option called create calculated field. Now, the name of the field I will give here as region, okay? And yes, this window is for your expression window where you can write down your expressions. Okay, if the expression is valid, you'll get calculation is valid. If it is not valid, it will show you invalid. Okay, so I'll just give here as central. We'll give here central in the quotes. Okay, we'll give central here in the quotes. Central in the quotes. Calculation is valid. Click on apply and apply it. Now, if you see here, a new field region has been created. Central. Okay, a new field region has been created with the name central. So what we did, we this is the first calculation field. Field one. Inside this, what we did, we have given a field called name, that is region. Okay, name of the field is region, and expression is nothing but center. Okay, so first thing solved, we have got the calculation, we have got the region field. Okay, please do it, guys. The first issue is resolved. We have created the new field with the name region. Okay, guys, I have a small question for you. Okay, uh, why there was a need to create we already know that this is a central region column, then why there is a need to create another, again a new column region with the name central? Why there is a need of it? Why there is a need of it, guys? We already know that this particular table has it is a central region, then why there is a need to create this field? Tell me, why there is a need to create this? We already know that this is a central region field, right? Exactly. So that when we are later, when we are joining all these four tables, we can understand that these records belong to central region. All right. Okay? So this is the reason why we are creating this field. Okay. I explain this because I know that some of you will be having such kind of questions, right? Not like for joining, we need a field, Piyush. The correct reason is since after cleaning this particular table, you're going to combine all the four regions, right? Then how will you distinguish that these records belong to central region? So that is the reason we have created this field. Okay, central. All right. Done, everybody? Done? I hope you always agree with me. Okay. Now, next thing what we said, there are separate columns for order with respect to date, month, and year. Okay, it means that we need to combine all these three things to make a date. Okay, so in Tableau there is a very popular function. Okay, so for this also we need to use calculation field. Okay, again click on these three dots, go to create calculation field, create calculative field. Okay, now let's say I'll give the first field name here as uh, order date, order date. Okay, because this is a same name which is there inside my table. Okay, this is the same name which is there in my south table also. That is the reason I'm given here as order date. Now, since I want to combine all the fields, if you see here, what are the aims? This is for order. Hmm. You have three different fields, right? Order year, order month, and order date. We need to combine them. So I'll click on these three dots, go to create calculation fields. I'll give here name as order date. Okay. Now I'll make use of very popular function here. That is nothing but make date function. Okay. The first function is a make date function. Now you can see here what it is expecting you inside the parentheses. This brackets are nothing but parentheses. So it's expecting you to pass the value of year, month, and day, right? It's expecting us to pass the value of year, month, and day. Okay. What is the name of the field for year inside my table? If you see here, so it's nothing but year. It's order year, right? It's order year, correct? As soon as I type here order, you will find order year. Okay, this is the field for year. Then next field is month. If I type month, I'll get the name of the field order month. And again, if I pass day, I get order day. Okay, order day. You see, order day. So these are the three things that I have to pass using the make date function. I'll convert them into a single field called date. Okay, order date. Let me copy this. Click on apply and close. If you see here, now you've got a single field of order date. Okay, let me do write down here also. Uh, calculation field to name order date and expression is going to be this one. Am I clear? Are you able to do it? Yes or no? Please tell me. Yes, no. Can you guys please respond? Any challenges? Right. So if you have created order date, if you go here and just type here ship. For ship also you're getting three different fields: ship year, ship month, and ship date. I want a single field, ship date. Okay, I need to combine these three fields. So again, I will go to the three dots, create calculation field. Let me make this as ship date. Okay, I'll use here make date function. And inside this, I'll pass the three things. That is ship year, comma, ship month, comma, ship date. Okay, three fields. Here, copy this, apply and close. You get now you're getting a single field ship date. We're getting a single field ship date now. Okay, so this is your third calculation field. Calculation field three, name, ship date, and expression is clear, guys. Yes or no? Please tell me. Am I clear? Now tell me, guys. Since I have already created this ship date, is there any need for these columns now? is there any need for this kind of columns? Ship month, ship year, and ship date, separate columns. Now there is no need for them, right? Because I already combined them and form a single field, right? Later also, if I want to perform any analysis, I can just make use of some functions to extract the year month from there, right? But right now I don't need them, so I will remove them. Okay. I'll click on these three dots. There is a last option called remove. Ship mode. Oops, sorry. I have to remove ship year. Click on these three dots, remove. Okay. Then click similarly ship month, remove. And ship date, click on three dots and remove. All right. Similarly, I'll do for order also. I'll just type order. For order also, I'm getting order date I have created, so there is no need for keeping this year, month, and day separate. So let me click on these three dots and click on remove. Okay, let me remove. So what all things you have done that has been noted down in this changes section. Okay, so you have created calculation field region, you have created calculation field order date, you have created the third calculation field ship date, you have removed ship year, ship month, ship day, order year, order month, and order date. Okay, so what is the next thing what you have done? We have to remove the fields. Remove fields. Okay, what fields you have removed? Have to remove order year, order month, order day, ship year, ship month, and ship day. These fields we have removed. Yeah. Have you removed it, guys? Yes or no? Please tell me. Have you removed this? All right. If you're done till here, the next thing what we have noticed, let me close this. This is a search bar, guys, to search for a specific field. Okay. Next thing is we have to go to the discount field. Discount field. So if you see here, we have said that there are certain issues in this discount field. First is this data type, and then this one, the none. Okay. Can you tell me what is the meaning of none here actually? What is the meaning of none here with respect to the field name? What is the meaning of none here with respect to field name? Respect to the field name, what is the meaning of none here? Basically means no discounts given, right? So we can replace the none with zero, correct? Yes or no? So we can replace the none with zero, right? Yes or no, guys? Discount is as same as zero. Yes. So double click on this none. You'll get an option to edit it and type zero there and hit enter. So your none will get converted to zero. Okay. And next thing, change the data type. Click on this ABC. You'll get multiple data types. Since this field has got decimal values, so we'll select number decimal. Okay, we'll select number decimal. Clear? Understood? Yes or no? Yes. To change data type, guys, you just have to click here on the data type icon. Once you click here, you'll get multiple options. Okay. So here you have to select number decimal. Okay. Hmm. Everybody, everybody done? Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Now let me just scroll this down because this down. Okay. Let me just rename this field. I can rename this as central region, or I can give here some meaningful name. Okay. Clean like this, clean center. Correct. Have to give a name. All right. We'll go to the next region now. Next we'll go to the west region. Okay. Let's click on this west region. Click on this plus button. Clean step. Click on clean step. Select this. Expand this option. Okay. So initially already I have removed certain fields from the particular table, right? So this particular field, this particular region has got a lot of duplicate columns, right? Which I already had removed them, right? Which we have already removed them, right? If you see here, we have already removed certain duplicate fields, right row ID to right profit. We have removed them. Now the one thing is left here is that the name of the fields of state columns. Okay, these are state columns names. State column names, correct? So what you have to do, go to these three dots, values, manual selection. Yes. What you need to do, click on these three dots. Okay, click on these three dots, go to group values and go to manual selection. Okay, manual selection. Now we have to fill out all these details. Okay, so for this I can just go to Google and type here America, United States, state codes. We search here. So we get some so this is we're getting this right. From here I will fill this table. Okay, from this I'll fill this table. So first is AZ. If you see here, AZ stands for Arizona, right? Let me copy this, double click here and paste it here and hit enter. So AZ is removed with Arizona. Okay. Then you have CA. CA itself is California. Copy this, double click here and paste it and hit enter. California. Third is CO. CO stands for Colorado. Copy this, double click, paste it and enter. Okay, like this I have to do for all. Then we have ID. ID is Idaho. Copy this, double click, paste, enter. Next is MT. MT stands for Montana. MT. MT stands for Montana. Copy this and double click, paste, and hit enter. Then we have NM. NM. NM stands for New Mexico. Copy this, double click on NM, paste, and hit enter. Then you have NV. NV stands for, it's NV or NY? NV. NV. NV stands for Nevada. Then you have OR. OR stands for Oregon, I think so. Oregon. Copy this, double click, paste, and enter. UT stands for Utah. Copy this, double click, paste, enter. WA. WA stands for Washington. Copy this, paste it, enter. WY is nothing but I think so. Yeah, copy this from the here and type it here. Yes. Okay. Then finally you can click on. So we got the revised state codes. Okay, I think so. There are some extra spaces here. Uh, no spaces have been gone. Okay, so let me write down here also for you also so that you can do it. So what are the region codes? You have West region, right? West region. We had AZ. AZ stands for Arizona. Okay. Then we had California. CA. California. California. Then we had uh, Colorado. Instead, TO. Colorado. Colorado. Just a second. Okay. So uh, next we have after Colorado we have Idaho. So for Idaho, I think so it was ID, right? ID. Then we have Montana. It was empty. Montana. Okay. Then we have Nevada. NV. Nevada. Then we have New Mexico. NN. New Mexico. Uh, then we have Oregon. What is Oregon for? OG, I can say. OR. Oregon for OR. OR. Oregon. Okay. Utah, I got it. Yes. So these are the state codes, guys. That we need to fix. All right. the state codes. Please do it, guys. I'll give you 1 minute. Please do it. Everybody. We done? Can I get some quick yes? Because the next region we have to take care of. Minimize this. Let me rename this as clean west. Okay. Last, we'll look into the east also. Click on the clean step. Okay. So here what we have noted for the east region, uh, there were sales effects of USD, right? So we have to rectify this also, right? So what we can do, we'll directly go to this cleaning step. Let me expand. We'll go to the sales field. Okay. First of all, we'll remove this USD. To remove this USD, click on these three dots, go to clean and select remove letters. So this letters will be removed. Now letters are removed. We can change the data type from ABC to number decimal. Okay. Change the data type from number decimal. Okay. Number decimal. So what you have to do for east, we'll go to sales, we'll clean and we'll select remove letters. Okay. And change the type to decimal. All right. Let me scroll it down. Let me write down here as cleaned east. Okay. Everybody done? Everybody? Yes or no? Please tell me. Are you all done? Guys, we'll do one thing. We'll go to file. We'll save this. Click on save as. Uh, Let me give name here as Tableau file. Ref operation. Save it in the same location. I already have this here. Let me store this out. Tableau prep. Okay. So guys, what we have to do next? What we will be doing next? We will be combining all these four regions. Okay. We will be combining all these four regions. Now, how to combine them? Okay. First, you have to hold your south data set. You have to scroll it. You have to drag it, and you have to bring it towards the south, towards the clean south. Okay. You have to bring it towards the clean south. And there you can see you're getting two options, union and join. Since you want to perform union, we'll drop it on union. Okay, we'll drop it on union. Again, so now we have joined these two tables. Okay, again, we'll pick this clean center, we will drag and drop, we'll move it towards the union. And now you can see we're getting three options, add, union, and join. I do not want to create another union. I want to add to the existing union table. So I will drop it on the add. Similarly, I will hold my east and I will drag and drop it on the add of the existing union. Okay, so like this, I have joined these four tables using the union operation. Okay. Everybody clear?
what you have to do, you just have to pick it and you have to move it on one of the region. For example, this is east one. You have to hold it. You have to move it towards the union, towards the existing union, and you have to drop it on the add file. You have to drop it on the add part. Okay, like this, you need to join them. Barrel. Right, guys. Okay, guys, I would like to stop today. If you guys have any queries, you can ask me. I'll just save it. Just save it. If you have any queries, you can ask me. Guys, if you have any queries, you can ask me. Or I will do it. I'll explain it tomorrow again. No worries. Kavya Patel recording will be uploaded. If you click here and expand it, you can see this tables getting joined. Okay. There is again some issues here. We'll fix it in tomorrow's session. Okay, I'll re-explain the union part and then we'll fix it. All right. Guys, since we do not have any queries, we'll end the session now. All right. Bye, guys. Bye all.